How to upgrade Linux Mint 22.2, Zara, 22.3, Zena. Linux Mint 22.3 Zena is out with Cinnamon 6.6 and a handful of polish and admin tools. And if you're on 22.2 Zara, you can upgrade without reinstalling. In this video, I'll show you the safe, official way to upgrade using the Update Manager. Step by step, what to expect, and how to recover if something goes wrong. Before we jump in, upgrading changes many system packages. Make a backup, make sure your system is fully updated, and only start the upgrade when you have time for the download plus a reboot. Short summary of what's new. Zena brings Cinnamon 6.6, revamped application menu, improved file manager features, input method, and notification tweaks. Plus a few new system utilities and UI refinements. Nothing that forces a reinstall, but enough to make the upgrade worth doing for most users.
Pre-flight checklist. 1. Back up your personal files. Home folder, browser profiles, project files. 2. Update your current system. Open Update Manager and apply all updates until it reports you're up to date. 3. Confirm Update Manager is current. Recent versions include the upgrade entry. 4. Have a working internet connection and time to reboot. Step-by-step upgrade. 1. Open Update Manager from the menu. 2. In the menu bar, choose Edit. Upgrade to Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. If you don't see this option, make sure your Update Manager and all packages are fully updated, then restart the session and check again. 3. A Welcome/Release Notes window appears. Read the notes for known issues or special instructions, then click Next. This is where the release notes list any compatibility notes you should know.
4. Click Apply to start the upgrade. The manager will download and install the new packages. This can take from 10 minutes to over an hour, depending on your connection and hardware. 5. When the upgrade finishes, you'll be prompted to reboot. Reboot to complete installation and load the new Cinnamon session. What to expect and quick verification. After reboot, log in, open System Info or About to confirm you're running Linux Mint 22.3 and Cinnamon 6.6. Check the Update Manager again. There may be a handful of leftover updates or a suggested restart icon. Troubleshooting. No upgrade to 22.3 entry? Make sure all updates are applied. Use Update Manager, refresh, install all updates, then reboot and check again. If still missing, update the Update Manager package manually. Look for Mint Update updates, or consult the Linux Mint release page.
Upgrade fails midway, broken packages. Boot to a live USB if necessary to recover files. From a working session, try sudo apt --fix broken install and sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. For complex breakage, use logs in /var log-ap and the Mint forums for guidance. Advanced users. There are manual apt-based ways, changing app sources from Zara-Zena, but that's riskier. Prefer the official Update Manager unless you know what you're doing. Closing recommendations. If you rely on the system for daily work and can't afford downtime, wait a few days for user reports. Otherwise, the Update Manager route is the safest official path. If you liked this guide, subscribe for more Mint tips, and I'll add links to the official release notes and the forum threads in the description.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for daily videos. Bye.